So once you've got all your area filled with views of your item, and it might just be little sections, like I've got a bit of the handle here, bit of handle here, bit of the jaws here, so it might just be a little bit of it. What we're going to do is to start shading this in, and using use my solid graphite or a soft pencil, so we can vary the shading, so we can keep it even in just sort of shading in these blocks now, so we could have it quite overall medium. I can go in darker, really dark, so we can just use our gradual pressure to create the different densities. It might be that we hatch, and we can have lots of different types of shading on each section of the drawing, so we can cross hatch as well. We could dot. Sort of scribble. So we're just doing lots of different densities of shading to create this. It's almost abstract, but it's almost abstract in a way once the tones start to overlay and create.
Thank you.
Or it might be that you vary the shading within that one section, so we go from dark to light. So eventually we fill in the whole piece, so it begins to look a bit like that. So some have got little bits of shading, some are cross-hatching, sort of scribble. And what we will do is next week is we will add colour. So next week we'll use our drawing, we'll transfer it onto card, and then we'll use just one colour with white and black to create lots of different shades again. And then going round with the black pen again makes it just pop out, because it gets too almost abstract when you just go for shapes in colour. But we still want to identify the actual object that we're drawing. Some, obviously, you can see that straight away what that is, even when it's all shaded in. Others, like bottles and cans and so on, can get quite abstract as you shade it in. So I think these black lines really help to bring it out. And that's all we've got to start doing as well. And we can shade the background in, so the whole of it will have some form of shading in, I would.
No, I'm hoping £40 for you.
Yes, it was there. You and Laura were quick off the mark.
It's just ordinary HB, is it?
Soft pencil again, perhaps the soft one. That one is a 3
Yeah.
5B, so this is nice and soft. So the ones that they did last night, I think they're up on Facebook. They look really good. Because this isn't a subject that I've done before. You're never quite sure how it's all going to look, whether it's going to look like old jumble that nobody can read anything of, or but everybody seemed to actually really enjoy doing it last night. because all we're looking at is shape, which sometimes when you're sketching something you can get too bogged down. You're trying to show the colour, you're trying to show the light, you're trying to show the pattern, whereas all we're looking at is shape. Continue that over the whole piece of paper.